What's happening in crypto world? Zach Man with another video update on Tron and Bitcoin. So here's the deal, guys. Bitcoin right now is trading at about 6,700 as I'm speaking. As we can kind of see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 4, but 3 for sure confirmed green candles. So we signaled kind of a little bit of an uptrend there. And if you look down here at the MACD, we can kind of see the crossover there, and obviously the volume picking up, so it's kind of going for the green there. And as you can see, the RSI is kind of going up from the oversold territory. So we're looking pretty positive with Bitcoin go up. Now, obviously, the bottom here was at 6,100 versus the actual bottom back in, let's see, I want to say that was like February, February 5th, I believe it was 6,000. So we never truly did hit that double bottom. So, and then back here, before this last run, I believe, let's see if I can, 64, yeah, it looks like that was probably the bottom right there. So 64.25 was the low for that one. So, as you can see, I'm not sure which way or direction we're kind of in yet. Obviously, we are going to be a little bit of an uptrend, but whether or not it goes from here, if it follows this trend line, which would probably be right there. I mean, you could always adjust it up here and follow it down this way. From up here, and follow it from the last height right there. So it's kind of hard to judge which direction it's actually going, because obviously we had a high there, it never broke the high here, never broke it there, there, and there. Even this high never broke this high. So if you ask me, we're still kind of in a downtrend. However, this low never beat that low, and this low never beat that low. So it's kind of hard to judge. Hopefully in the next few days we'll actually see which direction it's going to go. If it can break this high and this high, my guess is that we're going to be in a full-term uptrend. However, if this low breaks the 6,000 low for the support, well, then we are going to be in the downtrend. So that's kind of how I've been looking at this here. We'll see what happens in the next few days, weeks, months. We'll see how long it takes for it to get there. But from now on, we can, kind of bounce around between 8,000 and 6,000. So we'll be bouncing around there for the next few weeks probably. So that's a little update on Bitcoin. If we go to Tron, Tron's looking pretty positive as well. So obviously we have a couple green candles there. The crossover for the MACD, and we have some little bit of green, some buying volume there. And again, the RSI is kind of was in that oversold territory. Now it's kind of peeking its way back up. So right now looking at like 43 for the RSI. So that's what we got going on for Tron. So some news on Tron. We are 6 days, 4 hours, 11 minutes, and 55 seconds away from Tron Independence Day. Yeah, we're getting closer, guys. So here's the deal. Is Tron a scam? Is it going to hit $1? We don't know. But here's why people are predicting that it's going to hit $1 soon. So I'm not saying it is. I'm not a financial advisor. Do not risk any money that you cannot afford. I am only giving you advice of what I'm reading. So this is my thought and my thinking. According to the article here, obviously Tron is a young company that is barely a year old, that has outperformed most of the cryptocurrency projects. The startup was successful in launching its mainnet, and now it is all set to withdraw from the ERC20 and switch to their own main token, which is obviously the Tron Independence Day, which is going to happen on June 25th of 2018. So obviously right now they've, since their mainnet launch, basically it's a kind of another test phase. Basically they've set up like a $10 million reward for anybody that can hack or break into the system or something like that. So they're trying to have everybody attack this system to see if it's hackable, to fix the kinks and all that stuff before the mainnet launch. And so far, from what I've read, it's been really, really successful. So nobody's been able to really alter or hack into it. So it's a very secure network, and they've never had no problems so far. So that's kind of the cool thing. And like I said, they got a lot of stuff going on. Noticing as far as the recent developments, Tron, the Ledger Nano S, one of the most popular hardware wallets, is on the market, made in an open invitation to Tron to join their development. So we got a lot of companies that, like I said, that are joining in on Tron, so they're doing some amazing things. And like I said, some analysts predict the next quarter might be a good one for the Tron as it just, becomes completely independent. The migration, support from all investors in the exchange. A lot of people are saying that once trading is halted and suspended on June 24th, and when it reopens on the 26th, Tron is probably, if it sticks in the 4 cents, it'll probably jump from 4 to 10 cents. So if you get in now, you could possibly double whatever money you put in. So again, that's just some of the talk that's been happening. Another thing about Tron is obviously the BitTorrent. I know I talked about this in a previous video. So basically, Justin Sun purchased BitTorrent. And actually, it was a personal purchase, so Tron has nothing to do with it. It wasn't a Tron purchase. It was actually Justin Sun. He's actually the one that just purchased it for his own personal use. So, what some people are speculating, and what BitTorrent is, it's a peer-to-peer sharing network. So basically, people are thinking that once Tron becomes its own token on its own mainnet, that BitTorrent will actually merge with it and be set on one of the ecosystems. So that's just kind of some of the stuff that people are talking about. That it could be a merger in there, and that could obviously spike the price of Tron. The difference between Tron and other coins like Bitcoin and Ripple is very clear. It facilitates other applications to ride on its ecosystem. So, like I said, the vision of the platform that is fueled by the TRX token has become our natural entertainment choice outfit, a goal that cannot be realized without accusation of a market leader like BitTorrent. So, like I said, Tron's going to be pretty huge. Will it hit $1 sometime this year? Possibly towards the end. For sure next year. And, in the next 5 to 10 years, we could probably see $5, $10, $15. So, just depending on how popular it gets and how more bigger companies, if they start joining, like really big companies like Amazon, Netflix, Coinbase, eBay, for any of these major companies that start, looking at this for another way to get out there and to accept money, this could be huge. So, here's the deal, guys. Like it, don't like it. It doesn't matter if you want to hate on Tron. It could be a scam for all I know. Who knows? But from what I'm reading and what I see, it's legit. It's a real deal. And like I said, if you guys like the video, like it, subscribe, share, ring the bell, because I do daily updates as much as I can. I try to. I know I made a video yesterday, but unfortunately my audio system wasn't working, so I didn't know that until after I posted the video, and 6 hours later I realized that there was no audio, and it was kind of, well, it was, but it wasn't working very well. So I apologize for that. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and hopefully you guys subscribe so you guys can follow me, and we'll comment if you have anything to say, if you have any other news on Tron, and we'll kind of be on this Tron journey together. So thanks, guys. Have a great day.